Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we're delving into a technological marvel that's redefining urban commuting, the Lectric XP Lite electric bike. This isn't just any e-bike, it's a portable powerhouse that's rewriting the rules of convenience and versatility. Join us as we explore how its thoughtful weight and folding design are reshaping the way we move through our cities. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The Lectric XP Lite arrives neatly packaged with all the essentials for assembly. It's pretty straightforward, just a few bolts here and there, and you'll be hitting the road in no time. Even if you're not particularly handy, the instructions are clear and easy to follow. One of the standout features of the Lectric XP Lite is its featherweight design. Weighing in at just 46 pounds, this electric bike is a testament to engineering precision. This weight advantage has a profound impact on your riding experience. Maneuvering through crowded streets, carrying it up a flight of stairs, or effortlessly loading it into your car becomes a breeze. It's the perfect companion for those who value agility and flexibility in their daily commute. The Lectric XP Lite sports a sleek and modern design that's perfect for urban adventures. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to handle and maneuver through city streets. The matte finish not only looks stylish but also resists scratches and dings. Plus, the foldable handlebars and pedals make it a breeze to store in tight spaces. Now, let's talk folding. The Lectric XP Lite has embraced the art of compactness. With a swift and straightforward folding mechanism, it transforms from a full-sized e-bike into a conveniently compact package in mere seconds. The folding process involves collapsing the handlebars, telescoping the frame, and folding the pedals, resulting in a compact form that's easy to store in small apartments, offices, or even the trunk of your car. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The XP Lite is powered by a responsive 350W motor that offers a smooth and quiet ride. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 32 km per hour, you'll effortlessly keep up with traffic and breeze through those uphill climbs that used to be a struggle. The 36-volt 7.8Ah removable battery is a real game-changer. It provides an impressive range of up to 45 miles, 72 kilometers, on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes or even longer joyrides on the weekends. Charging is a breeze, taking around 4 to 6 hours to get back to full power. Imagine effortlessly weaving through city traffic, effortlessly gliding down narrow lanes, and quickly hopping onto public transport with your folded e-bike. That's the magic of the Lectric XP Lite. Its portable nature opens up new avenues for urban exploration and seamless multimodal transportation. No longer are you bound by the constraints of a conventional bike. You have the freedom to explore your city on your terms. While the Lectric XP Lite is impressively lightweight and foldable, it doesn't compromise on durability. The bike's robust aluminum frame and high-quality components ensure a smooth, reliable ride that's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. This perfect blend of durability and convenience makes the Lectric XP Lite a reliable companion for both short commutes and long adventures. What I really appreciate about the XP Lite are the additional features. The integrated LED headlight and rear taillight increase visibility and safety, especially during those early morning or late evening rides. The LCD display shows your speed, distance, battery level, and more, keeping you informed throughout your journey. In the world of electric bikes, the Lectric XP Lite stands out as a testament to innovative design and engineering excellence. Its emphasis on weight and folding revolutionizes the way we approach urban mobility. Whether you're a city dweller looking to conquer the concrete jungle or an adventurer seeking a versatile means of transportation, the Lectric XP Lite electric bike presents an irresistible solution. Remember, the future of commuting is here, and it's compact, lightweight, and ready for your next journey. Thank you for joining us as we unravel the brilliance of the Lectric XP Lite electric bike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more innovative explorations. Until next time, ride light, ride smart, and embrace the boundless freedom of the road. For more info on the Lectric XP Lite electric bike, check out the description area below. Thanks.